The risk posed by biodiversity loss, a rapidly changing climate, and global conflict show no signs of abating. And without seed adaptation, our global food systems will soon no longer be able to cope. As our own food and nutrition insecurity continues to be exposed, it is ever more critical we identify actionable solutions to address these challenges.
We work hard with our many partners around the globe to protect the world's seeds and ensure their use to combat the effects of the climate emergency. The ultimate goal? Securing healthy, tasty food on our tables for everyone for generations to come.
Global crop diversity is essential. It's an effort that requires all of us, those who research, breed, grow, sell, and eat. Drawing lessons from local food systems and international policy, honoring indigenous knowledge systems, as well as science.
Biodiversity has been a key response for different challenges that humanity has faced in the past. And I think the climate change and global warming is no exception. I think there is a part of the response that we can utilize to fight climate change and specifically greenhouse gas emissions.
Food security, food production, agricultural production starts with the seed. And it is one of the major objectives of the international treaty to ensure the conservation and sustainable use of the diversity that is contained in the variety of seeds that we have available to us. And most of that conservation is done in gene banks.
One of the things that we've noticed with the national gene banks is that they do conserve a very, very wide range of different species. Many of the species which have got cultural significance and traditional use, and they know a lot about them. And I think this is something that's really very specific about the national gene banks, that they not only focus on things like rice and wheat and maize, which are global crops, but they do focus on these crops which are very high in nutritional status. They provide vitamins, minerals, protein, and they're really, really important.
The gene bank can provide resources on how to conserve, harvest seeds and conserve seeds that can also be backed up in the gene banks itself, which is being conserved by the communities. So there has been interaction both between the farmers and the gene banks. It's very important.
We are also working in partnership with the Crop Trust, and we are having a partnership to regenerate local crop varieties in a way that we preserve them so that they don't get extinct. The local crops are very important in terms of mitigating climate change.
We believe that climate change is the biggest opportunity for youth, and youth must be the face of the climate change revolution. And for us to be that face, first we must stop only thinking about the challenge part, but actually focusing on the opportunity side.
The time for action is now. You can affect change, and together we can build a climate-proof future for food.